And that's the topic for today. Stop using cats, start using dogs. Okay, well, that's the show for today. We'll see you next time on Clay Visions News. And hold on. Graphic designers are furious everywhere. It seems that they don't know how to use After Effects or Premiere Pro. Oh my God, I think they're gonna start an uprising. Check back in 5 minutes and we'll let you know what's happening. They better learn. They're gonna learn today. What is good? What is good, people? How y'all doing? How you feeling? I am V. I'm your host for today, and today we're gonna talk about why you should learn After Effects and Premiere Pro. So, After Effects, these are both Adobe products. After Effects and Premiere Pro, they video products. Now, being a graphic designer, you like, why should I learn video? I'm gonna tell you why. Here's why. A lot of videographers don't do graphic design. A lot of video editors, they don't do graphic design. So with that being said, they need somebody to put in these images in their videos. That's where you come in. So when you're looking at these videos and you see words flying across the bottom of the screen, or you're looking at an interview and you see their name pop up at the bottom of the screen, that's lower thirds, right? A graphic designer does that. Now, some video editors can do it, but more than likely, if it's a bigger company, a graphic designer would do that. That will be your job. This is done in Adobe Premiere Pro or either Adobe After Effects. Which one you rather use? It's up to you. Me personally, I like to do these types of things in After Effects because Premiere Pro is kind of slow to me, but that's a personal choice. You could choose whatever you want to choose. However, learning how to do this is very key to you being a complete graphic designer. You know, it's cool to be able to do flyers and logos and stuff like that. But every now and then you're gonna get clients asking you, hey, can you do this XYZ to my video? And so you need to know these programs, at least know of them. You know, like, you don't have to be like the master of them, but at least be good enough to navigate your way through them and throw some text on a video if you need to. That's number one. Number two is animating logos, right? Now, you're a graphic designer and you've been doing logos forever, but guess what? You can take that logo to another level by animation. This is also done in After Effects or Premiere Pro. Like I said, your choice. So imagine if you had a logo that consists of like 3 elements, right? You got a circle, you got an image, and then you got some words. Now, if you made this logo, it looks great in 2D. You may even made it in 3D where, you know, it's turned a little bit and it got a little depth to it. But imagine if you made this logo and you can have the circle pop in, then the image come in, and then the words circle around it till it equals how you made the logo originally, right? That's logo animation. And guess what? Now you can charge more because that's an add-on feature for your logo, and people like that. You know, a lot of people doing podcasts, a lot of people doing blogs. People like that. So, hey, I can animate your logo for extra, whatever you charge, an extra $250. Hey, it's nothing. You already got the files. You know how to use the programs. $250 for possibly 30 minutes more of your time. You with that? I-O. So that's that. Another reason why you should be using After Effects and Premiere Pro is titles, right? Just like lower thirds, except for this time, we're talking about titles, like doing a short intro for somebody for a movie or something like that, and you know, the name of the company or the name of the movie hits the screen. Boom, you know, big bold letters. The letters is on fire. They broke up, they reflected, there's glass, all types of stuff is happening to these letters. The letters are flying through the sky. This is all graphic design. It's not really animation. I mean, it is kinda, but this is all graphic design. This is done in After Effects and Premiere Pro. You take the letter I, and you can move this letter however you want to move that letter. Or, you know what I'm saying? You can use templates. I use templates often, and there's a million of them out there. Now, what I do is I modify the templates for my own personal liking. So I reconfigure them and make some tweaks to them and all that, but so they wouldn't be just like everybody else's. But what I'm saying is, these titles, people need these. Say there's a person who has a business and they have a 30-second short commercial for their business. They want titles, you know, where's the business? Who is the business? What day? They want these things to hit the screen, boom. They want on the move, it's going this way, it's going that way, it's going up, it's going down. This is all part of graphic design. Now it's motion design, technically, but it's all part of graphic design. Like I said, this is another way to round your skill set and get paid more. That's what we're about. Getting better and getting paid more. That's what I'm about. Last but not least, GIFs. Now, I didn't think GIFs was a thing that you actually had to learn how to do at first, but it is. I started off doing my GIFs in Photoshop because I'm a graphic designer, right? It only makes sense. But as I started doing them more, I realized that I can do more with the GIFs in After Effects. Go figure, right? In After Effects, it's presets. Like I said, these presets are amazing. But in After Effects, it's presets where you can make your image. At first, your image was just going like this. It's going sideways, right? Up and down, sideways, just slight motion. But in After Effects, if I had a logo, instead of it just shaking, I can make it bulge. You know, I can make it twist. I can make it do all type of stuff. So here's another reason why you should learn these programs. Hey, I know it's a lot to learn. As a graphic designer, we have to learn a lot of programs. We have to learn a lot of techniques. But guess what? The more you know, the more in demand you'll be. You see what I'm saying? It don't hurt, you know, to dabble with it here and there, even if that's not your forte. Just go ahead and take a look at it, especially if you got the Adobe Creative Suite. Why not? Take a look at it, play with it for a second. You never know when you might need to use it. That's the topic for today. Hit the likes, hit the subscribe, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter, follow me on LinkedIn, follow me on TikTok, follow me everywhere. But right now, just make sure you hit the like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later, man. I am V, Clay Vision Designs. Peace.